In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate mileage in Google Sheets on your desktop. We'll walk through the steps to set up a simple mileage log, perfect for keeping track of your miles driven using starting and ending odometer readings. Let's dive in. First, let's start by setting up your columns in a new Google Sheet. This will help organize your data efficiently. You'll want to create several columns. The first column, column A, should be for the date. Having a clear timeline of your mileage logs is essential, as it adds context to your tracking data. In column B, label it as Starting Odometer. Here, you'll enter the odometer reading at the beginning of your trip. Then, move on to column C and title it Ending Odometer. This will capture the odometer reading at the end of your journey. To see how many miles you've driven, we need to set up a formula in column D, which you'll label as Miles Driven. This is where the magic happens. In the cell D2, enter the following formula. IF, or I as blank, B2, I as blank, C2, C2, B2. This formula essentially does two things. First, it checks if there are values in both B2 and C2. If either is missing, it will leave the cell blank in the miles driven column to avoid any confusion with incorrect calculations. If both are present, it will subtract the starting odometer value from the ending one, giving you the miles driven on that particular date. If you prefer neat numbers, consider refining this formula to round the outcome by adding IF, or I as blank B2, I as blank C2, round C2, B2, 1. This results in a cleaner number, rounded to 1 decimal place. Now, let's talk about making your sheet more informative with optional notes. It's a great idea to have column E as a purpose or notes section. This allows you to keep track of the reason for your trip or any other related information, providing clarity when reviewing your logs in the future. Finally, keeping an eye on your accumulated mileage is crucial. You can achieve this by heading down the miles driven column to the last row you've used, let's say D100 for example, and calculating the total miles you've driven with SUM D299. This will give you a sum of all the miles logged over the period covered, offering a complete snapshot of your driving activities. And that's it. By setting up and maintaining this simple log, you'll have an easy way to keep meticulous track of your mileage in Google Sheets. It not only helps in record keeping, but can be valuable during tax season or for business purposes.